Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. You can add additional questions by hovering your mouse over the plus icon, Add Question. You can type another question or delete it as needed. In the next example, I'm going to add a picture. Hover your mouse over the picture, Add Image icon, and then you will be prompted to find a picture. I already have some in my Google Drive. Once you find the picture, select it and then select. Once you add the picture and you want to use it as a reference for additional questions, select the plus icon, Add Question. Then type the question. Once you type the question, select the question type. Short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and feel free to explore the other options. In this example, I will stick to multiple choice. Then I will begin to add the question. Notice as I hover my mouse over the question option, I also have the option to add an image. You can add text or pictures as part of a response. Once again, you can take a snapshot by URL, your albums, Google Drive, or search for the picture. It is highly recommended that you previously search, find, and add these images to Google Drive. The best thing to do is to create a folder with pictures that you might be using. This will make it easier to search and find the images that you're looking for. There's one picture. I'm going to add another question, and I'm going to repeat the same process. Once you finish adding pictures as part of a response, then select the option either to require the question or allow students to skip the question before submitting. You can also go back to previous questions and also change those options. You can require the question or disable the option to require students to complete the answer before submitting.